Hey everyone, this is Ryan back with another unboxing video here at Oliver Smith. So not only do we carry new watches here in store, we also do carry pre-owned watches. So today we'll be showing you one of our Rolexes that we have in our pre-owned case. This one here is going to be the Rolex Deepsea. So this is actually the Sea Dweller, but this is actually the deep sea version of it. The reason why it's called the Deep Sea is actually this watch can go down to 12,800 feet. It's the reason why the watch is actually so thick. So how they're able to achieve this is that they actually have a helium escape valve. If this valve actually wasn't there, the watch would actually literally explode off your wrist if you're deep diving even a couple hundred feet. It builds up so much pressure inside the watch that it actually has to allow air to escape it, or in this case helium. So this will actually flash open real fast, let the air out, allowing your watch to go down that deep. That's also the reason for the thickness of the case. Also another feature on the watch, it does have superluminova here at the top. This is basically a rotating bezel. And the reason why they do this is if your electronic instruments in your dive equipment stopped, you could actually set it to your minute hand here and see your elapsed time. It does not allow you to gain more time, it only allows you to lose it. So that way you'd come up quick instead of coming up too late. The entire white that you see on the dial actually glows. That's a substance called superluminova. You also have a date function here on the side. Okay, so another great feature of this watch is, so if you want to put it over your wetsuit, is you can actually pull up right here and actually extend the watch out to actually make it fit looser so you can go over your wetsuit. And when you take your wetsuit off, you would just push that right back in. It's kind of a neat feature to actually have for this watch, because usually trying to make any sort of clasp adjustments, you usually need a push pin tool. This one just makes it so much easier to do. They also use a 904 instead of a 316 for the stainless steel of the watch. So if you actually have any questions or comments about this watch, feel free to contact us at 480-607-4444. Or stop on by at the shops at Gainey Village at 8787 North Scottsdale Road. You could also visit us online at oliversmithjeweler.com or on